In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX 580 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. After that, open the resetter folder and you can run the adjustment programs. Please click Accept here. After that, you can using the auto selection port or manual port selections. Okay, then you can click particular adjustment mode button here and choose was ink pad counter and click OK. Tick on the main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter option. After that, you can click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetting is successfully, you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson RX 580 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.